Introducing Space 3D, the most affordable large-size SLA 3D printer, allowing you to create bigger prints for bigger dreams. Higher precision, larger printing size, and all-metal structure design. The ideal solution for printing enthusiasts and professional users with the best value for your money. Space 3D uses a UV LED 140-watt high-power light bead matrix distribution to achieve a uniform light source and faster printing speed. It helps you to be more productive and creative and opens up new possibilities for different industries, prototypes, architecture models, medical components, or design mock-ups. Space 3D is very versatile and allows you to build whatever you can imagine with an amazing high precision. It is super easy to use with a printing speed of 40 micrometer per hour and an accuracy of 85 micrometer, making it the perfect tool to realize your ideas. We offer 5 different types of resin, but Space 3D is also compatible with most third-party resins that you can find on the market, and you can use color paste to match any color you want. We are a team of 3D printing enthusiasts, passionate about the development of Space 3D. The design is very solid and stylish, so it will not only be a reliable tool to help you boost your productivity, but also look good in any environment. Our mission is to create an affordable, large-scale 3D printer for everyone that creates opportunities to people and helps them to boost their creativity. Please support us and enjoy bigger prints for bigger dreams.
Meet Plybot, the simple, easy way to bring 3D printing home. Combining state-of-the-art technology with approachable design, Plybot is uncomplicated, works beautifully, and won't break the bank. There's zero fiddling to get started. Just switch it on, and the superior onboard intelligence does the rest. Print anything with one tap through the Plybot app. It's also super quiet. Hear that? It's Plybot's trinemic stepper drivers and 32-bit ARM CPU working together to keep the volume down. Plybot loves you this much. His robotic arms cover a wide printing area. Since Plybot's design was inspired by humans, why not dress him up? Choose from loads of different colors and even customizable graphics for his arms, like camo patterns or the Incredible Hulk. Plybot is designed and assembled with love in California. This small and mighty printer will wow you with possibilities, and its super affordable price. After years of design and development, both inside and out, this is the best version yet. See for yourself how easy it is to bring the future home. Please back us on Kickstarter to help Plybot and everyday 3D printing for everybody become a reality. Plybot.
Looking for an outlet for unlimited creativity? Take control of the new Daja laser engraver. It's powerful, affordable, and easy to use. 3W Power allows you to quickly carve out your creativity. Highly accurate for precise engraving. Easily sees the details at 0.05 millimeter accuracy. Easily create custom designs, patterns, or text, and engrave in minutes. Engraves on any surface. Simply sketch out your idea and leave the rest to Daja. A creative feast is ready. In addition to engraving, Daja also cuts material. Why not piece together a world map? The semi-open aluminum structure is sturdy and durable and allows for unlimited engraving sizes and angles. Daja has comprehensive security features, a portable security cover, a specially designed cooling fan, full mobile power failure protection provided, the Daja laser engraver, engrave wallets, engrave tools, carve out artwork. With coated metals, Daja can be spontaneously creative. Daja, engrave everyday objects and make them extraordinary.